Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. You like it? I don't know, to me, I don't like how it didn't taste today.
You say that every Sunday?
Well, for real now. I don't know. I don't like the coconut milk when I use. You just give the rice one taste, so I don't really like. Like, it don't taste like coconut milk. It tastes like them tamper with the coconut milk, like them add something to the coconut milk. Anyways, today is a little bit different when I eat. I didn't run the table or anything. I'm just taking it easy. Something happened today when my body kinda in a shock. Well, I know what happened make my body in a shock, but I mean, like, how am I say it? It's like me frightened. So I don't know, I just take it easy and I relax and not act up myself too much because I'm not really sure what babe said him feel like at the nose ring, but I don't think at the nose ring.
I feel like I'm asleep. I sleep well. And it more. So my theory is the place that cut, still cut.
Babe, remember I wake up from morning and I do nothing and it never did, like, nothing. Or when we go to the supermarket and make in the supermarket, my nose feel, I'm probably clueless what we are talking about, but my nose did bleed earlier. The figure say, because I'm going to the sun. Because when we're going to the sun, it happened.
Could be.
So Jason did the same thing at the nose ring, but I personally don't think it's a nose ring based on how it did, like, yeah. But it stopped now. So I just now want to act up myself, I don't want to do nothing much.
Yeah,
I even made dinner, I didn't want to record it, so it's curry beef, rice and peas, raw veg, and yeah. I didn't want to record it, but I never want to act up myself and I move the camera and I just want to relax and take it easy. When we come out of the car, I did good. And by the time I come out of the car and walk going to the supermarket and go in the fridge, push my head in the fridge and look there. What did I look? Cabbage. I just feel my nose like it start run. So I say, me even like chew me in the supermarket, me go so. Cause you know how people funny when you're from the whole pandemic, when you blow so, people look on you so. Me did have on a black shirt so me go so in it and I blow my nose because I feel like it did a run. So Jason said, babe, just take my rag. So when I take Jason rag, it's like him say, like blood on my hand and stuff, and me never did see it. It did just feel like it's a run. And then I call mommy, call Jamila, we did a panic. She said to hold on my head. So I just do that and Jason never pat. That's why I love you. I just feel like every relationship really need balance with you. Today when me a panic, I just say, babe, take it easy. And then I look up in my nose and I wipe it out and me a panic. But it not happen right now. It stopped.
I see if I sun.
Yeah. And then you know when I feel like at the sun. So oh guys, I clean the settee. So when I outside I clean the small piece. When I go out in the sun, my head just start hurt me.
I sun.
My head just start.
When you in the sun, you have to
Yeah. So cause you never bleed back when I go back in the sun now, but my head just start hurt me real bad.
Is it that say oh the climate that or is just that the sun itself?
I not even know. Jamila say overall, like when him going at the sun, it's like that happen.
Depends on how you eat or if you not eat.
Yes, really be happy to me.
I never did eat nothing. I don't eat nothing. Well, me did just afraid because my nose never bleed yet. Like certain stuff just never happened to me. God, thank you so much. Like how you see people like sick and stuff like that. That don't normally happen to me. We get like headache and belly ache, but that's about it.
That's true.
So yeah. So we just say, you know, I could just do a sit down video. Happy Sunday, guys.
Boy, that food are nice.
Me not eat.
Yeah.
What's your curry to something?
Happy Sunday to one and all. Especially those watching the World Cup. France gone through. Argentina gone through.
Argentina gone through?
Yeah, man.
Who you think about win the World Cup?
Nice and that.
Guys, comment and let me know who you think, which country you think are going to win the World Cup. I know. Which country? Jamila, like how we said, drop out. Who you don't want to win?
I don't care.
Ah,
But if no side to win, maybe see which are final first, then know people who want to win. But you know, in the business.
I'm not saying Spain, but you're not in Spain.
Me real business for true, but me not carry Spain.
Well, I'm not in Spain, but you're not big Spain, no.
No?
Me either. Why would I do that?
Because we took the walk to Poland.
I think my side drop out, so me wouldn't want Argentina for win.
Good little side, you know.
Or anybody. For win.
Nobody's in much for
Me
Spain.
not carry Spain though.
España, you know.
Yeah. Croatia drop out? Them can win too.
Yeah, just get out of it. Listen to it.
It dry. It dry. I'm telling you, it's dry.
You're not telling me why you're not carry Spain.
Because I only make a go home.
Oh.
You know no feelings, man. Oh, yeah. True.
How come we make you go?
Oh, you gotta show me.
I'll show you.
How come we make you go?
No win.
We lose.
The lose. Then we win, we good.
Yeah, so we lost the match.
Yeah, because I no lose.
It's never in our jurisdiction.
Wanna do it for spite and lose.
People can do that.
Rain of fall, Jamila?
No.
Oh.
But if you decide to break it up, you can know that not jet.
So yeah, so we will lose past 5.
Yes.
Yep. The team just beat us fair and square and it just happened.
I can't believe I'm spoiled up the shirt and I'll be second time. You enjoy it? I really enjoy it.
This week Sunday, I get night, I cook stuff.
I make him cook Sunday. Yo! Of the bag. Guys, so this is how today is going. I do nothing in the house today in terms of like fixing up. So I'm gonna wait until tomorrow we get back on track. So this is Vlogmas day 4. But yeah, I hope you guys are having or had a wonderful Sunday. Thank you for always supporting me. I really and truly appreciate it. Jamila, I'm gonna carry this piece of settee same way. And Jessica can carry it for me. Oh, I like me do things to even when I tell myself something I do not, I still do it. Because after my nose finish bleed, I still come home, come clean the look part of the sofa. So yeah, but me not feel sick nor nothing, me not feel weak nor nothing. It's just that when I go into the sun, my head really hurt me. And I figure say at the sun because my nose bleed. Of course I go for Miss Google She and them never did that so much, them just say like sinus, sun, or if you're like trouble something in your nose or whatever the case is. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Bye guys.